Good evening viewers, welcome to the Smart Learning French Language class. Today's topic is traduisez à français. I'll be showing you in today's class how to convert English sentence to French. Okay, from this class you will have a very good idea regarding French vocabulary and some new French verbs you will be learning in today's class. After a long time, I'm doing this class, that is the translation part of the language. Okay, so after a long gap, I'm doing the class on this topic, that is French translation, that is English to French translation. Okay, and first of all, before starting the today's class, I wish the Merry Christmas and the best wishes for the Happy New Year 2024 in advance to all of my viewers, students and friends. Okay, and I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. And there is a very good news for the coming year 2024. Please permit me to let you know that I have launched a self-guidance French language course. This course will be giving a very good coverage, a total briefing of almost all the important aspects of the French language and all major tenses of the French grammars. Okay. And this course is totally online course, and e-course materials will be given if you join this course, and you can follow this course online totally comfortably at home. Please like and share the video lesson, because like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. Okay, let's start today's topic. It's a very important topic. French translation, traduisez à français. Thank you. Let's start today's topic, traduisez en français. Very important topic. In this class, from this class, you will be learning new verbs, new vocabulary, etc. Okay, please don't skip the video. Please see the total video very attentively. Traduisez en français, translate in French. And I am showing you one by one English sentence and how to translate it in French. Please take down in your copy. First sentence, we change our clothes. We change our clothes and we come downstairs. Downstairs. Okay. The French translation I am showing you. We change our clothes. The verb change is required and come downstairs. The verb changer and the second verb is descendre. Nous, oui. Nous changions. Nous changions nos clothes is vêtements. Nous changions nos vêtements. A is a conjunction and. Okay. Et nous descendons. Et nous descendons. Nous changions nos vêtements et nous descendons. That means we change our clothes, vêtements is clothes, and nous descendons. We come downstairs. Okay. This is a complete answer. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Our parents are not ready. We wait for them. Is the English sentence. Our parents are not ready. We wait for them. Okay? Our parents. No para. No para. ne sont pas are not ready. Ne sont pas prêts. Prêt is ready. Ne sont pas prêts. Okay. We wait for them. Nous les attendons. Nous les attendons. Here, the verb wait for them, wait, is the attendre verb. A new verb you are getting. Our parents no sont pas prêts. Prêt is ready. Okay. And it varies as per gender. A number. That is no para, plural, it is so with S. Okay. And nous les attendons. We wait for them. Them has been replaced by les. Okay. Nous les attendons. Attendo is a verb attendre. Attendre is to wait for somebody. Okay. The complete sentence I am repeating once again. Nos parents ne sont pas prêts. Nous les attendons. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. I asked them, are you not yet ready? I asked them, are you not yet ready? Okay. Here, asked, the verb is demander. Je is a passé composé. Je les ai demandé. Je les ai demandé. I asked them. Okay? Are you not ready? Not yet ready? Vous n'êtes pas encore, vous n'êtes pas encore prêt. It is interrogation. Vous n'êtes pas encore prêt. Je les ai demandé. Vous n'êtes pas encore prêt. I asked them, are you not yet ready? Pas encore. So I am using pas encore. Encore, not yet. Okay, ready is prêt. Vous n'êtes pas encore prêt. Je les ai demandé. It is passé composé. The tense is. Okay. The complete sentence I am repeating once again. Je les ai demandé. Vous n'êtes pas encore prêt is the interrogative. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. They answer me. We are not coming down yet. This is a sentence. They answer me, we are not coming down yet. Okay. The French translation. Ils me répondent. Ils me répondent. They answer me. Answer. That is the verb répondre. It is coming from the verb répondre. Okay. Ils me répondent that we are not coming down yet. Okay. Within quotation, nous ne descendons. Again the verb descendre pas. Nous ne descendons pas encore. Yet. So I am using encore. The complete sentence, ils me répondent, nous ne descendons pas encore. They answer me, we are not coming down yet. Ils me répondent. They answer me. Okay. Nous ne descendons pas encore. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. At last, everybody is ready. Okay, at last, enfin, French translation. Enfin, everybody is tout le monde. Tout le monde is everybody. Enfin, tout le monde est prêt. Enfin, tout le monde est prêt. Okay. At last, everybody is ready. The complete sentence. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Next sentence. My mother gives me her gloves. And says to me. Okay. My mother gives me her gloves and says to me. My mother. French translation. Ma mère gives me. Okay. Ma mère me donne. Ma mère me donne. Ma mère me donne. Ma mère me donne her gloves. Ses gants. Ma mère me donne ses gants et says to me. A Modi. Here you are getting two verbs. That is, one verb is done, gives her gloves, and another verb is di, that is a Modi, that is, and says to me, Modi, that is dir verb, to say. Okay, you are learning two verbs in this sentence. One is done, er ending verb, and another is dir, re ending verb. The complete answer is ma mère me donne ses gants. Okay, gants is gloves. A Modi, and says to me. Okay, my mother gives me her gloves and says to me. Ma mère, I am repeating once again the French translation. Ma mère me donne ses gants. A Modi. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you for attending the class and watching the video.